People usually deserve a second chance. And in my opinion, so do noodles. So we're back with another cup, again from Thailand. And this time I can't read most of what's on the package, which is a good thing. But what we can read is Tom Yum, a hot and sour soup. So we're going to look for hot, sour, and we're going to try to find these shrimps.
Why is not being able to read the package a good thing? Because this suggests that the production company's first priority is to make good food for the locals, as opposed to trying to appeal to tourists and foreigners with watered-down versions of otherwise exciting dishes. The rule of thumb here is Thai writing first equals Thai experience first. Of course, I don't suggest going into any meal completely blind. It's good to have an idea of what you're eating and whether or not you are at risk of triggering an anaphylactic shock. No matter how good these noodles are, you probably do not want them to be the last thing you ever ate. Luckily, FF, which stands for Fashion Food Company, has an international market in mind and lists ingredient and instructions in English. As for these letters underneath FF, though they seem like someone printed the letters WGI in reverse, this is actually Thai writing. Any idea how many letters are in the Thai alphabet? We'll uncover that fun fact in a little bit. Because of the hard casing, I had no idea how many packets were in the bowl. So let's count them. Why don't you count with me? Yes, out loud. 1, 2, 3, fork, 5. Tom Yum means boiled and mixed. So while we boil the water for our soup, we can mix in the ingredients. The seasoning includes familiar basics such as salt and chili, as well as some unmissable shrimp powder. The packet of oil has a good amount of lemon oil and citrus acid. So far we can expect this soup to have a well-defined taste. Out of the dry ingredients, the tiny pieces of imitation crab stick stand out the most. Not an authentic Tom Yum additive, probably just along for the fishy, chewy experience. While we cover this soup for 3 minutes, we can uncover our fun little fact. How many letters are in the Thai alphabet? 28. No, wait, did I say letters? I meant vowels. There are 28 vowels in the Thai alphabet and a total of 72 letters. Why do they have so many? Well, take English for example. It has a letter A that can be pronounced in a few different ways. The A in apple is pronounced different from the A in agent. In Thai, those sounds are simply represented by unique letters, thus amounting to many more vowels. So what does this I reversed GW mean? It reads FF, just written in Thai. Who would have thought that our letters are just as exotic to them as their letters are to us? I can only hope these noodles are just as exotic.
Well, those were great noodles. I can still feel the tingling of the hotness. I can still smell the freshness and still taste the sourness. And did we find those shrimps? Yes, we did. In taste, definitely. And the imitation crab sticks were perfect stunt doubles. Now I wanted to give these noodles 4 chopsticks because I usually reserve the 5th for exceeded expectations, but really I can't think of anything these noodles could have done better. So congratulations Fashion Food on your 5 chopstick rating. You really put Thai cup noodles back on the map or shelf. Now maybe you have a very different opinion of these noodles or you have a suggestion, then I look forward to reading those in the comments below. And maybe you don't like noodles at all, but you still like this video, then please click like and subscribe so that we'll see each other again when we unbox some more noodles. Bye.